Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can format columns. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to format views, which highlighted the entire rows, but maybe you just want to go ahead and highlight the column that, for the conditions that you're looking for. So all you have to do is come over to the column where you want to add the formatting, click on the drop down here, go to column settings, and then do format this column. Then once we do that, we have some different options. We have the background colors. You can add a background color to each color choice. You can do choice pills, or you can do conditional formatting. In this video, we're just going to be covering the conditional formattings, but the other two are great options as well. So for the conditional formatting, we're just going to come over here. We're going to go ahead and delete this. And then we just want to come over to a similar condition that we had before. So we just want to look, it's equal to IT. Then we want that cell to be this blue color. So rather than highlighting the entire thing, maybe you think that's obnoxious. Now, if you come and you just say there's thousands of files here and they're sorted alphabetically, they're not sorted by department, and you just want to be able to see at a glance, oh, that's IT. Oh, that's HR. Oh, that's finance. You can easily just tell by the colors. And that's how you actually do the conditioning for the formatting the columns. Now, I am curious about the other options because I haven't used those before. So let's actually just take a look and see what they do. So right now we have choice pills. So add color and rounded styling to each choice. So let's see if it's equal to that. Okay, so we can just change the color. So that just allows us to change the color. If it's HR, then that's color. If it's empty, it's that color. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Let's see the other one. Formats, I'm going to go ahead and remove this one again. I'm just going to save it so I don't have to keep doing that. And now there's also background colors. Okay, so rather than just a simple choice pill, it just does the background colors here. So those are the different ways that you can style it, and that's how you go ahead and change the colors as well when it comes to formatting your different columns.